Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check for spyware on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, first make sure that you go to your settings, right? And then go ahead to the battery and review if the battery usage by apps. If an unknown app is consuming a lot of power, it might be spyware. And then go to the settings again, general, and then iPhone storage. All right, and check for apps you don't recognize. Spyware often disguise itself as a legitimate app, right? And then go back to the settings again, go to the cellular, right, and review data usage. Unusually high data usage might indicate spyware sending information from your device. And then check for jailbreak. If your iPhone is jailbroken without your knowledge, spyware could have been installed. Use an app like Cydia to see if your device is jailbroken. Cydia with a C, CYDIA, and then look out for unusual behavior like random reboots, overheating, or sluggish performance. If you suspect spyware, consider resetting your iPhone to factory settings after backing up your data. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.